guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, because this is December, season of bakings, another cookie recipe coming your way, and it is Clementine cookies. I actually baked it this morning around 6 a.m. I quickly whipped up everything and then baked it, and I packed some for the boys. It is refreshing because of the citrus, the clementine, but I also added lemon juice in it, and it's with raisin. So a bit healthier for school snack pack. Anyways, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! We're gonna grate these 2 clementine skin using grater. So you're gonna zest the skin because clementines are generally smaller than tangerine and definitely smaller than orange and whatnot. I use both sides of the bigger and the smaller grater. In a bowl, mix 1.5 cup of enriched flour, 1 tablespoon of skim milk powder, a generous pinch of fine sea salt, and also 2 tablespoons of old-fashioned rolled oats. And here we also have 1 cup of raisin, soft raisin. The skim milk is optional. I just want to use up what I have in the fridge. While in this bowl we have 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and our grated clementine zest. We're gonna cream this. Seems like I'm just gonna keep making cookies because I have this sorry, I have this one container of liquid whole egg that I have to use up, so maybe you'll be expecting tons of cookies. Once it's blended and creamy, we're gonna beat in about 4 tablespoons of the liquid whole egg, and beating just to combine, so not completely or overly mixed mixture, but just to combine. So that's 4 tablespoons of the liquid whole egg. Again, just until combined, not overly mixed. Now drop or pour, I'd say drop because it's just a drop or 2 of lemon juice, and just mix it. Now we're gonna dump our dry ingredients into the batter mixture and cut it in and mix it. Don't forget our raisin too. I almost forgot to mention, in that flour there was also 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So grease your non-stick pan with a little butter, margarine, or cooking spray. Now with a scoop for either cookie dough or ice cream scoop, we just drop 1 scoop right away on the baking tray. We're gonna bake it at preheated 375 for 10 to 15 minutes until edges golden brown. I'm making 2 kinds. One, I didn't flatten it a bit, but if you want, you can flatten it with a fork, just tiny bit. They don't really flat out or spreading. Cool on the pan for 2 to 3 minutes, and then cool it on cooling rack.